So guys, we are above the world. We are in some place. I'm figuring a name. What is the name of this place? Gornagrat. That's where we are right now. I got my beer, and this is the view. There is snow all around us. It's super chilly. It's maybe 0 degrees out here, you know. And I got me a Singha beer, which was for 6 francs, and a bottle, which was again for 6 francs. So 12 francs for this. It's amazing, dude. Let's have a drink here. There was also an option of cappuccino, but I wanted to get this. This is Singha Thai beer, premium lager. Okay, guys. So it's so sunny. If I take my glasses off, it's very glittery because the sun will bounce off that sun. Come with me, guys.
Oh my god! Look, nobody!
Come with me. Show them the view. Come all the way, cameraman. Show them the whole thing. Show them where we are. Show them what's there down there. Okay, so this is a beer review from the top of the world, guys. Singha beer. Kevin, stay here. Yeah. Oh my god. It tastes so good. Here's the spot. I mean, this is an experience, guys, and I hope you are living through me. मैं उम्मीद कर रहा हूँ आप भी ये देख के जी रहे हैं अपनी. I mean, get your beer right now and watch this, you know. I know it sounds very funny and stupid, but dude, look at the view. You blame me? Man, I can't even believe what I'm seeing. This is unbelievable. It's like 0 degrees here. Cheers. Now you join the...
Mama, I go finish it.
Kanika, take a sip and tell us what it feels like. Dude, I took an amazing photograph of you.
Wow.
It's a feel, right? It's like another world, right? What's up, Kevin Joe? That's my son. Yeah.
Look at that beauty, dude.
So we took a train, guys, from Zermatt to here, which took 40 minutes, and we stopped at many stops. But this is totally worth it, yaar. It is so beautifully crisp and cold here. I'm so glad I'm getting to do this. I feel I'm blessed. I've often told you guys. मैं आपसे ये कह रहा था कि मेरी किस्मत बहुत अच्छी है, और ये 721वीं बार प्रूव होता है कि मेरी किस्मत बहुत अच्छी है यार. यार एक और बियर भी है, एक और लेके आएंगे. Unbelievable, dude. This is an experience to behold. You have to come to this place someday in your life, dude, and do this. And it's not even as much as you're probably thinking. It's not that expensive also. I think so. I hope so. अब तो हो गया क्या. That's why we gotta get out.
Papa,
What happened?
it's raining.
It's not raining. It's just snowing. You see the snow? In the camera, you can see how it's pouring in the camera. Okay, see? Wow. See? Now when you go down, everywhere you will see snow. Amazing, right? You want a hot water bath or a cold water bath?
Hot.
Really hot, right? A fun one, no?
How?
And
You
what
want
will you-
that with a hot water, right?
Yes.
Because it's very cold, right?
Yes, sir. So they have the Zermatt beer, 2.85. Should we take this? 2.85 each. So at the hotel they were selling it for 4 each. So I don't know if I should take it or what. Any other beer? Man, these are the only 2 beers I see here, which is very strange, right? I just had to look behind me. We have Corona. I think that's for a 6-pack, 10.5. And then we have some other beer here, Feldschlösschen. Looks pretty good. So is this a strong beer or normal beer? Then we have Birra Moretti. I've tried this, not the best beer. Out of the ones I've tried, I want to try Sagres for sure. This I tried yesterday. I think no, that was a different one. No, I tried this yesterday. Remember in the club? Not the club, the restaurant, dude. Brewdog is amazing, of course. This is the best, dude. €4, I don't know, dude. As you can see, a lot of options here. Smirnoff, Aberfeldy, Chivas Grant's Triple Wood. Grant's Triple Wood for €20. Red Label की छोटी वाली bottle है, dude. Four Roses Bourbon, Aberfeldy, Glenfarclas. Had I known this is available, I would have taken this, dude. A Lagavulin for 81. A bunch of wines. Then we have Martini, Jägermeister for 27. यहाँ की रेड लेबल ज़्यादा बेटर लग रही है यार, 27 की है। निखिल, स्मोना से तेरी याद आ गई यार। So I have the Feldschlossen original. Let's try this. €2, you can't go wrong. Leffe I have tried previously, but I don't know if I want to have cans. We have Erdinger, Boring. This is another one I want to try, but I have the blue one. This is the original. This is Brau Frisch. I'm not sure what that means, but we'll figure it out. उसके अलावा Stella Artois, man, this is what I've missed in India so much, dude. You can't go wrong with Stella. This is probably the most underrated beer in the world, dude. And this is for €2.35 or whatever, you know. I think it's a pretty good deal. London Pride is for 3.1. I have 3 cans of beer. Do I need more? Man, this looks so beautiful. How can you not want to get this, man? Look at this, dude. The original Appenzeller beer. What the hell is an Appenzeller beer? Something in English, guys? Appenzeller. Look at this bottle, dude. I'm in heaven, dude. I'm in beer heaven, dude. I know weight काफ़ी बढ़ेगा, तो लूँ कि नहीं लूँ? When in doubt, don't take it. यहाँ की Heineken ट्राई करनी है? कितने की होगी? 2-3 की होगी. Desperado, terrible beer. Never tried this. Hazy Jane, I don't know, Amor Fati, India Pale Ale. 4 for this? No, too expensive, dude. It's not cheap, dude. Dude, this looks so beautiful. Let's just take it. And I wanted to try Sagres, of course. Just one. So I'm happy with my beer hunt for today. Okay. I've never seen so many choices for beer. You know? And of course, this is what we saw earlier.